Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage here, and I'm doing some watercolor painting today. I'm showing you guys these cool new paintbrushes I got at my Five Below. They look a lot more like makeup brushes to me, but they were in the art section and definitely said art brushes on them, so I figured I'd give them a try. This is another like pre-printed out design kit that I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts. It's of dragonflies on a flower. I kind of went with like a lily kind of look. I wanted to stick to like a very minimal color scheme here because this is going in my bullet journal, and of course I have themes and colors for every month. This was for January, this January that passed, and like my overall arcing theme for my bullet journal is gonna be like nature. That's what I really enjoy drawing and painting and other sorts of creative things. So I guess we should talk about these paintbrushes here. Like I said, they felt more like makeup brushes. I don't do makeup, so I don't actually know if this is true or not, but they looked and were shaped very much like what I've seen at least the kids' stuff looks like, the kids' makeup brushes and kits. The paintbrush itself, not super soft or flexible. I think it's because they were short. Like, they looked very short to me, and that's what screamed makeup brush to me. They're very cool. I like the whole handle. It has like a hollowed inside with some kind of liquid and sparkles and glitters. That's what attracted me to them. I figured they'd be cool for a YouTube video to give you something else to look at aside from my very novice paint jobs. I have been watercoloring for a little bit here, but I'm still not like a genius or a pro or anything at it. I'm very much still in the learning phase, and I think I'm going to be there for a while because I don't get a whole lot of time to myself anymore where I can just watercolor. So I'm still learning. I still use cheaper stuff because I'm like, I don't want to spend a lot of money on something that I might end up putting down for a long time or never picking back up. I do really enjoy painting in general though. Like I really like acrylic because I like that it's like you can mix it on the canvas. That's one of my favorite things to do with watercolor too, is mix it directly on whatever I'm working on. Gouache is hard. I really like the look of it. I like how it looks matte and stuff. It's just hard. I'm not used to it yet. I barely have done any gouache stuff. I've done very simple stuff, but I do like the matte finish it has and the very simplistic look it can have. But for the most part with watercolors, I like to do like textures with it. Like I like to make things textured and abstract looking. Here I'm attempting to blend. Like I said, I was trying to like stay within like 2-3 colors, and it had an interesting outcome. Like I'm shading with the green and like the pink color I was putting a wash over everything with. Like it started to turn orangey, which, you know, I like orange, so I didn't mind, but it didn't really go with it at first, so I had to do a lot of like watering it down and blending it out, which is why it's a 15-minute video instead of a 5-minute video, because I basically spend most of the time trying to blend out these petals until they look right to me. They do eventually get there, I promise. But for now, I'm gonna leave you to some music here. Gosh, I finally got that one petal that's been bothering me this whole time. Anyone else notice I missed that, like, the entire time I was painting? Oh my god. What a process to get one petal done. Oh, okay, looks like we're done with the painting now, and we're moving on to some line art here. I decided to do line art because I could still see the gray lines through the watercolor, which, you know, watercolor is kind of transparent sometimes, so I should have known that was going to happen. I decided to go with like an orange color because the overall look of the lily kind of looked more orange than pink in the end. I think it goes well. And it really makes everything pop. I'm a huge fan of line art, so I tend to do it more often than not. I've tried to do like styles without it, and it just didn't look right to me. Maybe in the future. I'll try again though. And of course we gotta outline the dragonflies in green, because they're green dragonflies. And it looks like we're just about done here. Just gotta peel her up, slap her in my bullet journal, and call it done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube-y things of commenting, liking, and subscribing, turning on notifications, and all that jazz. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye!